to infinity?
Negative infinity.
Right?
Is it -5?
Oh, 5 to negative infinity.
5 to negative, oh no.
5 to positive.
Yeah, I know you're going down, but we're looking at the x. X is here, and it's going to the right forever.
Alright.
So that's positive infinity. Good question.
Hold on. Yeah.
Okay. So it starts here at 5, right?
Yes.
So intervals are always the x's. And it goes from 5, and it keeps going forever.
Yes.
And yes, it's going down, but all my x's are going to the right.
So are we just forgetting that it goes up for a minute before?
No, we're not getting y, we're getting x.
Yes, but those x's, because there's an increasing slope between the two decreasing.
Right, that's why I said it's only these green lines.
Yeah, so wouldn't our union be from like, hold on, I'm confused.
I think you are.
Our union starts at 5 because from 5 to forever, so 5 to infinity, it's
Never mind,
decreasing.
I'm just stupid.
No, you're not.
No, because I was like, what, -4, 1, I was thinking as a point and not from like x equals -4 to x equals 1. I was thinking of it as a point, like, but there's like 4 more points between.
These are common mistakes. Yeah, you're doing fine. So 5 to infinity,
I'm going to get used to that we're doing x's, not y's.
because f of x is decreasing. So that's our justifying. That's our justification.
And that's definitely going to get some used to. We're not doing y anymore.
Negative is.
I don't think we've ever done y.
I don't think we have either.
Just when we talked about range.
Did we do that this year?
Not this year,
I was
no.
going to say, yeah,
No.
we haven't done that in a hot minute.
Okay, on what open interval? Okay, you write this one down. You figure it out, and I'll call it out. Is f prime of x greater than 0, and justify your answer.
If I draw an up arrow on my test, we know it's increasing.
No, I need you to write at least I and C. Because I'm thinking of the AP graders. And so I'm going to grade like the AP graders. Because I want, when you take this test, to be like, this was actually easier than a Miss King test. You know, that's what I want you to think. Probably won't, but that's my goal.
Please tell me there's no math essays.
There's no what?
Math essays.
No, just
there's
free
other
response
results,
questions.
yeah.
It's just like my tests. Multiple choice, free response.
It was in my head, I'm like, let's find a way to make it smart. Maybe, right?
Okay, so tell me one interval on which it's increasing, Lilies. Yes, negative infinity to -4. And then Stephen? Say that again? Yes, 1 to 5. Sorry, I missed the first word there.
I wrote my infinity top to bottom, not left to right.
Uh-oh. Okay, so how,
I did the same
Ashley,
thing.
how did you write it out in here?
It said f prime of x is greater than 0 on negative infinity, or parentheses, negative infinity to -4 parentheses, union, parentheses, 1 to 5, parentheses, because f of x is increasing.
Is
Yep.
it a union, not a U? I
Yes.
always say that line.
Union is a U.
It is a U.
It is a U.
Yes.
Yeah, that's a U.
Can I put that line down the side of it?
What line?
Oh. They usually don't.
Okay.
It's a parabola. That's what I call it.
Wait, question.
Yes.
If I do my thetas like 0, am I gonna get counted off?
Like 0.
Yeah. I draw the line the wrong way. Instead of drawing it this way, I draw it vertically.
It depends. Often, if you switch
If you keep it close.
variables,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. Like if you went from theta to that variable, or if you changed them all to x's, they count that as a spelling error and they don't count off.
Okay, so I'll be fine. Like, I don't really
Yep.
switch. It's just that those say data
So
and
you're
mine
okay.
look like a zero.
They're trying to give you points. They're trying
Okay.
very hard to give you points.
I think we'll be fine on all of these, but
Okay. So at what value or values of x does the graph of f prime of x go from being below the x-axis to above the x-axis?
These another.
Oh my gosh.
These another.
Okay, now we're talking about f prime of
Negative
x.
6.
We gotta flip it over.
Oh, I was like, there's a half.
Yeah, no, f prime of x.
-4, 1, 5.
Negative 4. What?
1, 5.
Yeah.
F prime of x will go, I'm just writing out the first part, I'm not answering anything, from below to above.
Miss King,
Yes, ma'am.
need to see Daniel about it.
Okay. Hey, they didn't tell you to bring your stuff, so that's a good sign.
Yep.
When f of
Yeah,
x,
really, they keep telling you you're
Wait, do I need to bring my stuff though? Because it's about to. The class.
We're getting abducted.
oh, okay.
She was in first period. She
Okay.
there and they go proof your stuff.
So, f prime of x goes from below the x-axis to above when what's happening on the graph?
The negative slope, whatever you want.
Yeah, when it's going from negative to
Positive.
positive. Very good. So when f of x changes from decreasing, now I'm saying negative. I meant negative slope of a tangent line.
Yes.
Okay, I was hoping that was what you meant. To increasing,
He just wants to get quarantined.
no, the bell's about to ring. So from decreasing to increasing.
It would be funny if Daniel got quarantined. Like, it'd be so bad.
So look at it.
Yeah, he'd be angry.
Where is it going from the decreasing to increasing?
At
1.
At positive 1. So it's going from the green to the pink.
At 1 and at 5.
At
Wait.
5.
I was going to say
And going from
-4
increasing to
1.
decreasing, never mind.
No, so just at 1, right?
That's the point it changes. One
Yeah.
point it changes.
Because it's going from a negative f prime of x to a positive f prime of x.
And so at that point where it goes, I thought when it passed like the x
Mhm.
axis, okay, that makes more sense.
At, oh,
Wrong thing.
thank you. At x equals 1. Okay, the last one, I probably ain't going to have time, but we'll see. At what value or values of x does the graph go from f prime of x, go from being above to below? There's more than 5.
4.
Yep.
-4.
F prime of x will go, okay, so you can write that down. From above to below the x-axis when f of x changes from, increasing to decreasing at x equals -4 and 5. And -4.
I did that one.
Oh, okay.
I was going to say yours.
Hi, Brooklyn.